Hello, I'm Teacher Lu. Let's begin our MPBOT 609 training. Today's topic is Mode Learning Bluetooth Connection. When we switch this button to the right, we can select the Bluetooth connection mode. This requires two controllers to work together. One controller acts as a controller party, and the other as the remote controller. For example, if I have a robot car on the ground, I don't need to press the programming button on the ground to control it. This frees up our hands, right? Okay, so here, let's understand the steps for Bluetooth connection and the mutual control relationship between the two controllers. Let's look at this slide. First, we have the first controller, and we need to switch its mode to the right to Bluetooth connection mode. Second, the second controller also needs to be switched to Bluetooth connection mode. Both controllers must be in the same mode. If the mode isn't both set to Bluetooth connection, they cannot connect. Third, we need to select which one is the remote controller and which one is being controlled. If I want to use the second controller as a remote controller, I need to click the Run button on the second controller and then they will connect. Each of our controllers has a unique serial number. During connection, a successful connection icon appears on the screen, indicating a successful connection. However, if the connection fails, you need to analyze the situation carefully. Bluetooth connection is a pairing process. If a third or more controllers appear within close range, there may be multiple options, making it difficult to choose. Therefore, in Bluetooth mode, we need to maintain a one-to-one connection. For other, non-connected devices, their mode needs to be changed to a different mode. Otherwise, incorrect connections or connection failures may occur. If there are only two controllers nearby, a connection will be quickly established. This is an important point to note. For Bluetooth connection mode, first switch the mode button on this controller to the right. You'll see a Bluetooth icon and a serial number appear on the screen. Then use another controller. This is controller 1, and this is controller 2. Switch controller 2 to the right as well. Now, both controllers will display the same icon on their screens. I can set controller 1 aside and use controller 2 for remote control. I just need to press this button. A new icon will appear on the screen indicating a connection has been established. The serial number will also disappear, indicating a successful connection. In this case, I don't need to press controller 1. I only need to press controller 2. For example, pressing the button on controller 2 will allow the robot to operate normally. This mode allows the controller to be detached from the robot for remote control via Bluetooth. Any command that the robot itself performs can be remotely controlled via the second controller. Okay, that's an introduction to Bluetooth connection mode. We will continue to update with training videos. Thank you for watching.